What's up, science enthusiasts? Today, we're blasting off to answer a question that's plagued sci-fi movies for years. Can you survive in space without a spacesuit? Space may look serene, but it's a harsh mistress. Without a spacesuit, you're facing a rapid and unpleasant demise. So, buckle up as we explore the reasons why a stroll through the cosmos without protection is a very bad idea. The oxygen thief. First up, the lack of oxygen. Unlike Earth's comfy atmosphere, space is a vacuum, meaning there's practically no air to breathe. Remember that awesome feeling after a refreshing breath? In space, that feeling would be replaced with a terrifying tightness in your chest. Within 15 seconds, the oxygen in your lungs would be depleted, leaving your brain starved and leading to unconsciousness. Basically, you'd pass out faster than you could say spacesuit malfunction, the boiling point, but the lack of oxygen is just the beginning of the party. The extreme pressure difference between your body and space would be like a giant trying to squeeze you into a tiny suit. Your blood and bodily fluids would start to boil, turning your insides into a science experiment gone horribly wrong. The big rip, hold on, it gets worse. Remember how boiling water expands? The same thing would happen to your insides. This rapid expansion would likely rupture your organs and tissues. Not exactly a relaxing spacewalk, cosmic sunburn, and let's not forget the ultimate party crasher, space radiation. Space is bombarded with harmful rays, and without a spacesuit, your skin would be exposed to the full brunt of this cosmic sunburn. You'd get a sunburn unlike anything you've ever experienced, and radiation sickness would quickly follow. Not a pretty picture. Conclusion, so, there you have it. While Hollywood might show dramatic explosions or peaceful drifting, the reality of space without a suit is a quick and brutal end. The next time you see a brave astronaut floating in space, remember the amazing technology that keeps them safe and sound in that big, beautiful void. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this near-death space experience, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome science content. And remember, space is cool, but spacesuits are cooler. Stay curious, my friends.